Hey, what's good everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to give you a lesson in destructuring in JavaScript. Destructuring allows us to extract values from arrays and objects, then assign them to variables in a convenient way. We can use straight brackets to perform array destructuring, or curly braces to perform object destructuring. I'll give you 5 different examples. Example 1. Swap the value of 2 variables. We'll have let A equal 1, let B equal 2. To use array destructuring, we need a set of straight brackets. Add the variables A, comma, B. This will equal, we're creating a new array on the right-hand side, B, comma, A. On the left-hand side of our equals, we're using destructuring. On the right-hand side, we're creating an array. Let's see what's within variables A and B. Console.log, variable A, then variable B. So if these values are swapped, we should have 2, then 1, not 1 and 2. That's example 1. We can use destructuring to swap the value of 2 variables. Example 2. We can swap 2 elements in an array. Let's create an array of colors. Const colors equals an array. Pick some colors. I'll go with RGB, so that would be red, green, blue. Let's add black and white. Suppose I would like to swap the position of the first element and the last element. This first element has an index of 0. This particular last element has an index of 4. Again, we're going to use array destructuring. We need a set of straight brackets. We'll take our array, colors, at index of 0, comma, our array, at index of 4. We want to swap red with white. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 4th index. Equals, we're creating a new array by using straight brackets. Colors at index 4, comma, colors at index 0. Then let's print our array. Console.log, our array of colors. There we go. We have white, green, blue, black, red. That's how we can use destructuring to swap 2 elements in an array. Example 3. We can assign array elements to variables. We'll declare a bunch of variables. Const. We'll use destructuring. We're destructuring an array. We need a set of straight brackets. We'll create some variable names. First color. Second color. Third color. I will assign this equal to our array colors. Let's print these variables. Console.log, our first color, we have red. Second color, green. Third color, blue. You could combine array destructuring with rest parameters. We have 2 colors left. Let's assign that to a new array. We'll use rest parameters. I will name this array extra colors. Then we will console.log extra colors. And that should be a new array that has the remaining colors, black and white. That's how to assign array elements to variables using destructuring. Example 4. Extract values from objects. We'll create 2 people objects. Const person1. Person1 will have a few properties. First name will be SpongeBob. Last name will be SquarePants. Age will be 30. And a job, meaning occupation. Not John, job. His job is that he is a fry cook. Alright, let's copy person1. Looks like that N should be capital in last name. Alright, let's copy person1, paste it, change person1 to person2. The first name of person2 will be Patrick. Last name, Star. Age will be 34. Person2 is not going to have a job property. He's unemployed. Using destructuring, I can extract values from these objects. We'll create a few variables. Const. We'll use object destructuring. We need a set of curly braces this time. We'll create these variables. first name, last name, age, and job. Now this equals, let's start with person 1. Let's display these variables. Console.log, first name is SpongeBob, last name, SquarePants, age, 30, job, fry cook. Let's do this with person 2. Patrick Star, his age is 34. Person 2 does not have a job property. Person 1 does, though. Our job variable is undefined, as you can see here. You can set default values when using destructuring. If somebody doesn't have a job property, we'll set job to equal unemployed. Let's see if that works. Yep, Patrick Star, age 34. His job is he's unemployed. That's how you can extract values from objects. Values extracted can even have default values. Alright, last example. We can destructure in function parameters. We can pass an object to a function and destructure it when it's passed in. Let's create a function. We will create a function to display a person. With the parameters, we'll use destructuring. We're destructuring an object. We need a set of curly braces. We'll receive an object, such as this. I'm going to invoke display person. We'll pass in person 1 as an argument. When we receive person 1 as an argument, we'll destructure that object right away. We will create a first name parameter, last name, age, and job. All we'll do is print a few lines using console.log. I'll use a template string. Let's say name, colon space. I'll add a placeholder, first name, and last name. Let's add a new line. Age, colon space, add a placeholder, age. Then lastly, job. Job, colon space, add a placeholder, job. We're passing in person 1 and destructuring it. We should display name, SpongeBob SquarePants, age 30, job, fry cook. Let's pass in person 2 as an argument. Name, Patrick Star, age 34, job is undefined. Again, we can set a default value when destructuring. If an object doesn't have a job property, we will set that equal to be unemployed. Patrick Star, age 34, job unemployed. Then if we pass in person 1 again, his job should not be unemployed. He's a fry cook. There is a job property, so we do not use the default value. Alright everybody, so those are a few examples of destructuring. There's a lot you can do with destructuring. You use a set of straight brackets to perform array destructuring, or curly braces for object destructuring. They allow you to extract values from arrays and objects, then assign them to variables in a convenient way. And well, that is destructuring in JavaScript.